check. Yo. What's good? Yo. What up? Let me see if I can check my chat out. Yes, that is correct. We'll look at your tickers for $1 to Cash App. Yeah, Let's get to it. I'm only doing this because people be looking for like the craziest tickets. Like, bro, what do you see? What do you see in this ticket that made you want me to look at this? Or you just wanted to waste my time? Oh, like, seriously. I wish you wanted to waste my time. So that's the only reason. What I do today, I took a trade on QQQ. Look at this QQQ setup. Bing, bing, bing. Oh, let me share this joint out real quick. It's a Telegram. I ain't been on here in a minute. It's winter time. I'm in the house. I'm back active. Cause I be outside. I get my trading in and I'm back outside. I'll be back outside. So that's why y'all probably ain't seen me on here. It was summertime. It's back cold outside. I mean, if you want a single ticker like that, no problem. But come to me with like 5 crappy tickers. I ain't with that today. All right. So anyway, look at this QQQ setup. Like this where we was at with it. Boom, right here. Look at that hammer. And look what that hammer took us. We took out this level and was on our way to take out that level. But on the entire time frames, we took out some more levels. All right. We came in, filled that gap right there for the most part. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely little play today. I think I took that for over like 100%, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if I can send it to myself real quick. If I can show that joint to y'all right fast. I'm just in here chilling. Welcome home, Max B. Max B is back. One of my favorite rappers out there. What else was good? Be on here for a little while, messing around. Ain't got much else going on. What up? Look, you can ask me anything. You can ask me a ticker or two. When you got like 5 tickers, you gotta send that through. Cause yeah, just $1, but I got you. But I'm looking at QQQ right here. I took this QQQ. I actually looked it over on Friday, where on my 1-on-1, and I was like, yo, this is almost a perfect setup. Besides the time frame continuity not being completely green, but as you can see, we broke out right there. All right, we broke out well right there off this hammer. That's what I mean by like A. It's like a B plus setup for real. You can't beat that. You can't beat B plus setup. So you can't complain about that. Where is well, my AirDrop ain't working. I was trying to send this video. I gotta email it to myself. What's good? Just in here talking about QQQ tickers, whatever. Send me any ticker. It's cool. When you got like 5 or better, it's $1. Just from my time, because a lot of times but people be wasting it. What's good though? Hit me in the chat. Let me know what's going on. I wanted to show y'all this QQQ trade off this hammer I took. I would say it broke out in the pre-market, but we took out some levels. Right, took out this level and we was on our way here. So we'll see if we get some continuation tomorrow. So let's look at NQ real quick. Right. If you don't know me, you know I trade the Strizat. Right. I trade the Strat with a little bit of ICT. Just a splash. Right. So those are levels we probably be looking to take out. Well, just at the see if I can send this to myself. Holy. I'm just on this thing talking to myself. Tell some people get in here. Chilling on live with the trader guys. We'll go on to Max B. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this to come through here. Will it? Let's see if I can get this video. Show y'all what I did today. I recorded it. I posted on YouTube Shorts, but I'm gonna try to show it on here anyway. Let's see. I'm gonna be on here for a minute. There we go. Let's grab this video. All right, cool. Trying to find this file. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Oh, let me share this into one of my files. Holy. Oh, there we go. All right, it should let me play it now. Look at NQ. To upload this video is taking a minute, and the thing about it is, it's only 50-something seconds. Well, we broke over the high here on NQ, so probably now the goal to see if we get over this right here. All right, see if we break over that. I'm gonna set an alert on that. Put that there, see what happens, see if it break out. I'm really just on here hanging for real, seeing what was going on. Rejecting a little bit. Still pushing though. It's 12 minutes left on this candle. It's pushing through. Let's see if we take out this 15-minute right here. We take out this 15-minute. Only thing we worried about is probably hitting that broad no formation, which is right here. My stickers ain't coming up. We nerding out in here. Rockets in the chat. Throw a rocket there. There we go. There go our rocket. We're looking forward to take out this 15-minute. So let's see what happens. It's looking good though. It's up a couple points. Broke the daily. That's why I'm expecting QQQ tomorrow to look pretty good. More bullish to the upside. And we probably hopefully come and take out that monthly level. We will see. We will see. We're getting close. See if we can get a little closer. Also, I appreciate it if you hit the like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Oh, Georgia. Yeah, Max, be home. Okay, we're trying to push to take out this 15-minute right here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a breakout on this 15-minute. Let's see. Let's do that daily real quick. What's up? What's up? What's up? Please hit the like button. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm just in hanging out. It's my rocket ship. My little rocket ship. That's what we on today. Trying to see if we take out this 15-minute. Maybe check out one of them levels. What up? What up? Welcome to the stream. But what got me looking at QQQ right now, I'm not worried about too much. I mean, NQ right now is because I was talking about how it broke out today. It broke out of the hammer. It broke out of the hammer today on the daily chart. I got like almost 200% today on trading QQQ. Like I said, I had talked about it on a one-on-one yesterday. Friday, I had a one-on-one Friday with somebody, and I was like, it was an almost perfect setup, but time frame continuity ain't fully green. But it was this hammer right here that I talked about on Friday that we closed with. And then this was today. So we took out this level and was pushing to this level. But the reason I was looking at NQ was because I wanted to see what maybe we get tomorrow. I thought I uploaded this video. Oh, yeah. So this is the trade I took today for like 200 something percent. Small account. I think I had like 3 contracts. I ended up recording it late. So I think it was only showing like 1 contract left. Got like a quick 140. Quick 140 and like 20 or 30 minutes on a small account. Now I like to play with and just make free ball money and hang out money. But I just like to show people that you don't need a lot of money to make money in the stock market. I mean, you got to think $100 for 40 minutes. What more you asking for? You can make $100 a day starting out with reduced risk. Why not? Right. So hopefully it's clear enough for y'all to see, but this is what I traded today. So yeah, I'm back. Ask me some questions in the chat. I got any questions? Anything? If you got 5 tickers or more, you want me to look at? You want me to look at your stock account? You have to see a cash a dollar. If it's over 5, there's 1, 2 tickers, 3 tickers. I'm cool. 4 tickers, that's fine. But yeah, over 5 tickets, it's $1. And hit the like button for me. I'm struggling to stream my head. All right. But now I'm on here. I'm chilling. We chilling. Ask me anything. What else we can go through? I'm just going to do my options watch list. Let's just scroll through some tickets on a daily. Let's see. Hopefully y'all can hear me clearly. Flip through some tickets. I want you, and I gotta have you. Yeah, I got my eyes on QQQ. What Amazon doing? Hopefully it ain't too dark. Make sure it's, yeah, Amazon ain't nothing going on. Nothing. Let's see what SPY doing. I appreciate the likes. Oh, I was going to SPY. But yo, like the market with the government shutdown and all of that, like it's been a little I don't know, been a little weird, but at the same time, it's been doing the same things every day. Push up early, base out, come down. Why is SPY taking so long to show up? Like, what's the deal? Like, what is this? All right, there we go. Cheers. Like, what is the deal? Let's check out ES. Ask me anything in the chat. Speak to me. What's up? You traded that? Tell me something. If you want to come up, you can come up and talk to me. That's how I invite people. Let me see. Let me copy and put it in here. And put it in the chat. If you want to come up and talk to me, you can. Join the stream laws, just hit the link. So you just hit the link and come up. If you traded today, You want to talk about Max B being home if you know who that is. You want to talk about anything. I'm just on here chilling, looking through charts and seeing what's going on. All right. I did like over 200% today on QQQ. You can look for that short when you get off the string. Hit the like button. Appreciate it. But now I'm just chilling. Basically in here talking to myself and talking to y'all. I guess there's like 2, 3 people in here, something like that. Not exactly sure. But what's good though? Chat it up with me. What you got going on here? Hey, let me try the video again. Small account. Look. Let me add it. Hopefully you can see it. Can y'all see that? I'm on 200+% trade. I started recording late, so I ain't really catch like all the contracts. I only had like 3. I think I dropped like $300 on it, made like 140, something like that. Real quick. 20 minutes. Just for the people that didn't see it. Oh, let me play it. Is it playing? There you go. Ooh. Boom. Look at that. Bang. Sold some there. Sold some there. Came on down, pulled back a little bit. Boom. Took that trade all off that hammer on QQQ today. So, yeah. Let me add the chart back. Check out that one-on-one video too. I dropped some gems to that guy. So what happened was that guy brought my course. My course only like $30-something. He brought my course, but he brought my course that came with the one-on-one. So that was like 70. So I charged like 55 for the one-on-ones. But I only like doing one-on-ones when like you already know, like got everything set up. So I give the course for 30 and give you everything you need, links to getting the indicators, everything. You be all set up. You watch the course, you write some notes out, and then we don't waste your time or your money doing your one-on-one. So when you do this one-on-one for that hour, you get all your questions answered and everything that need to be done. You feel me? So I do it for the low ski. I don't be charging people hundreds of dollars and all of that craziness. But if you go check out that video, and I posted it, and I send you a recording so you have it when you need to go back and review it, so you can do it over and over again. But anyway, so I posted that video of the one-on-one, give everybody some free game on how I trade the strat and what I do with it. And check that out. So all my links are like in my bio and all that. I ain't on here like trying to sell y'all nothing and grifting and all of that. But you know, if you want my help, I got to get paid too, because it can be time. But I actually sent him. I talked to him about that QQQ hammer the other day. I said it earlier while I was in here, but I just wanted to repeat it. And yeah, I had sent them the chart. Like, man, you see how I took out that level. So, because like when you buy the course and stuff, I had your email. So like if I didn't talk to you and you seem cool, I'll make sure I send you stuff. Or you can join the Telegram. I'm gonna be back active in there too, just giving out free alerts when I feel like it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all got some tickets for me to look at. Send them through. Obviously, if you got 5 or more, I need $1. I just did $1 if you got 5 or more. You know what I mean? But other than that, yeah, I'm just on here chilling. I'm also watching academics at the same time. I actually got that in my headphones because I know how to multitask like that, seeing what's going on in hip hop. Like I said, Max be home, and I'm just on here watching charts and looking over stuff. Actually, let me put my chart back up. That's the video of me and my almost 200% trade today. Oh, let me remove this one and add the chart back. Look at that. Yes. Oh, let me go back to NQ and break that level I was looking for. I actually had marked this 15-minute to see if it broke the high for the day. Let's see what we get in a few. See what we get in a few. I'm just in here chilling. I end up buying a Mac Mini too, right? So now I got my laptop where I can trade off of, and then I got my Mac Mini on like these 2 big screens. I know, like if you go through my shorts, you'll see my trading setup. I got this Mac Mini, and I'm liking it. You know what I'm saying? I needed something a little stronger to be on here streaming. That was one of the reasons I wasn't really streaming like that. Cause my laptop just ain't have enough juice to like stream and trade, do all these things at the same time. Everything was loading real slow. So I went on and brought me a Mac Mini M4 because I ain't put the M5 out yet. And I like it. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I probably should have got a gaming computer with a little more power, but I'm a Mac user. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my iPad right now listening to academics. I'm on my phone right now watching the chat. I'm looking at the time on my Apple Watch. And I got my MacBook just chilling, sitting here waiting for tomorrow with trading. The market is open tomorrow. It's just I won't be trading tomorrow because it's a holiday. Like if you're gonna trade with the banks and know how money flows, what's the point of trading on a day when the banks are closed? So you just trading against nothing, right? You can't claim you trade with the banks and this, that, and the third. And yeah, now don't get me wrong, everything is uh algorithm and computer based, but still. All right, we got a double inside on the 5 minute. I throw at nothing off. Like if you trade the stress, double inside. But yeah, so I won't be trading tomorrow. So I'm just out here chilling, seeing what's going on. Um, I do got my I did set all my levels and stuff like that, but I'm really just in here just chilling with y'all and shit, seeing what's going on. But I'm looking forward to break this level on the 15 minute. Right, I got that marked out. I just want to see if it break. See if we continue to get a push up. Maybe. And there goes my rocket. That's my rocket ship. But yeah, the link is in the chat if you want to come up and hang out and talk about anything. If you got women problems or man problems, I'm also a love doctor. And a stock market doctor and all that. And hopefully I get some views. And this channel ain't even monetized. I just do this for fun. I don't even make no bunch of money off the course. I definitely do for one-on-ones, but yeah. So if you want one of those, let me know. And check out my videos and hit the like button. But honestly, I am in here just messing around. I ain't been on live in months. It's been months since I've been on here. So if y'all got something y'all want to talk about, y'all want to show me, y'all got a ticket y'all want me to look at, let me know. Let me know. Send it in the chat. Man, y'all mind chilling. I'm gonna start going more live more though. Especially if I start to get more engagement. I did that little short video unboxing the Mac Mini. Actually, I good engagements like damn, am I in a wrong YouTube sector? I need to start just buying stuff and opening it up. Shit. Mm. But yeah, I'm here. I am here. But yeah. Um, what else? Oh, Lyft looked pretty good today. Look at Lyft. If anybody been following me for a while, they know Lyft is like one of my favorite stocks to trade. When time frame continuity is green on Lyft, man, let me tell you something. When you got this on Lyft and it's a nice setup, man, Lyft goes. I mean, look at that. Like, look at that. Look at that push on Lyft today. Look at the daily on it. Like when you get this on Lyft, yeah. And for my technical analysis, boys, it's like a double bottom. Bang. Look at that. It took out the 3-month level right there. Look, 3-month level right there. Yep. Lifted this thing. I love this. One of my favorite stocks to trade. Um, I don't think it's a bad stock to really just load up on and just have for the long term. I mean, it's look at this. At one point it was $88, right? That was in 19. It came on down, and now it's making a push to take that back out, right? Now it's gonna have its ups and downs, but I mean, you can't beat it. What was the lowest it went to? Man, Lyft was $9, yo. $9. It's crazy, right? $9, man. Like some the price of some of these stocks, like Palatal. Like Palatal is like, oh, yeah, I remember Palatal got down to $5. Look at Palatal. Palatal is 200 and something dollars right now. Yo, 2020. Look, where am I going? Look, 2020. Yo, in 2020, Palatal was it 2022? Palatal was five. Palatal got down a cent. Yeah, $5, 502, triple. 502. It based out at like 530 something. And look at this. Look at this. What is it? What year was this? This is 2022, 23, 24, 20. Like listen to me. $1,000, $2,000. I mean, you paid, right? You was paid. That's crazy. Yeah, like so I look at some of these stocks now, like that went down, but it's crazy in the pandemic, came back around. This is down to $5 in 2022. That shit is 200 and well now it hit a high of 207.52, but now it's 193. Yo, you paid like five bank. You know how much? Oh, yo, my God. I don't even want to do the math of how much $5,000 in Peloton was. I remember when it was $5. I remember when everybody was selling it off when it hit like 20 or something like that, 50, and then it came down and everybody was selling and panicking, like, yo, it's never getting back to that. Yo, it's $200. Like, that's the thing about the stock market. You just got to hold certain tickers. Like, I know it hurt. I know it hurt seeing red. But you just got like use another account. Like a good account to use is like I use Webull and TOS to day trade every day. So I'm gonna say like just get like a Robinhood or Fidelity or one of them ones you just not gonna use like what I mean, you ain't really worried about using. Or vice versa. If you use Robinhood and use it on a regular, then use Webull or something. Just stop buying shit and just holding this shit. Like as time go on, 10 years from now, like I got a stock I'm holding right now, which is called, and I'm just buying little by little with profit. Teleo Farms, right? Like TELO is one that I'm holding. It's $1.36. I'm at an average of $1.40. I'm just copping like I don't care if it's $5, $10, $20. I'm just slowly stockpiling it. Like yeah, like this is a 10-year hold pharmaceutical company. It's gonna go crazy. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some. But yeah, sitting here chilling. What else I got going on? I've been trading heavy. Won't be trading tomorrow. Hopefully, y'all won't be trading tomorrow because it don't make sense to. What else? Man, you remember Jameer? Jameer is like an African. Jameer is an African like Amazon BBB. I'm just going through tickets. Yeah, I won't be trading tomorrow. Banks are closed. Gush. Gush is an old Dextron. This is swab like EF. Pay a dividend. Let me see. Seeing people post about it. Look at that. It just through the roof. Man, if you had gotten this 2020, I'll just be looking at so many tickets that like just don't SoFi. Like SoFi, one of them. 2022. SoFi was $4. SoFi is 30. SoFi is 30. I'm a day trader, but some of the stuff you just gotta buy and just hold it and just don't worry about what it look like. Like don't even look at it for like just set an alert at like somewhere at the top of the candle and just wait and see what happens. Maybe I should start live streaming on Telegram. I just remembered you can live stream on Telegram. If you ain't got my Telegram, it's in the bio. I'll be giving out free alerts sometime when I feel like it. I ain't been in there in a minute. I might hop back in there though. I mean, I'm on here now because I just sent out an alert. I just sent out an alert on there. But yeah, if you got, I'm on Telegram. I don't charge for nothing. Just free alerts when I feel like it. Quick little day trades and stuff like that. But the stocks I looked at. No, I'm just in here talking about how some of these stocks was like, I mean, a few dollars a stock in 21, 22. It's just through the roof. Peloton, but Peloton is probably the best one. Nvidia, which is a crazy one too. Look, if you got any questions, got anything, sit it in the chat. Um, Look at this shit. 2019, it's $3. Then it was $2, $4. I mean, even if you brought in 2023 at 50, let's just say it hit a high of 50, 2023. Where is that now? It's $200. It's insane. She ain't cute though. What is this? What is this crap? There we go. This is my rocket shit. No, ain't broke that level yet. Got a hammer on the 5. This hammer. I'm tired. I got an early trade. It's only trade for like 30 minutes though. 200% trade on QQQ off the hammer on the daily from Friday. Yep, keep talking about it because it was a perfect, beautiful setup. Besides, it wasn't full time frame continuity, but for the most part, it was enough for a day trade. We got a hammer on a 5. We have an inside shooter on the hour right here. All right, it's 15 minutes left on that candle. This is a new 15-minute candle was inside. Like I said, the market closed tomorrow. Banks closed tomorrow. The market opened tomorrow, but the banks closed. I ain't trading. I'm just in here chopping it up, going over shit. It's crazy how quick 40-something minutes go. It's crazy how quick 40-something minutes go. And you actually sitting here because I've been on for 43 minutes. And I ain't even noticed it. I'm sitting here talking to myself. But what y'all can do is highlight me. The link, if you want to come up, is right there. And yeah. What else is there to look at? This is one of my like options watch lists where I just got a bunch of tickets on there. Everybody love Tesla when they love it, and they don't when they don't. It's one of them generational stocks. You just buy and hold that shit. How airlines doing? Like United. Excuse me. Not well. Man, DDOG. Remember this? Man, it was a data dug, right? Yeah. Look at that. Just time frame continuity. Man, look at that. Two. There's a 2. There's another 2. There always will be signs. There always will be signs. And it's outside there. Look at that thing. Look at that. I mean, look at the candle size. God. Year by year. That Celsius went crazy too at one point. Remember that? I got it. Now it's just down. Like the highs in the game. Who knows? Victoria's Secret. Your secret is safe with me. I used to trade this too, right? It's like one of them Bitcoin platforms. Nike doing. Like in a weird place. Verizon. KLG. What happened to Kellogg? They wound up moving to let's see. Kellogg is wow. Kellogg. Oh, Kellogg. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not okay. I see why now. I was about to say, I know that ain't the what's the name? Oh, UNG. UNG ain't a bad company to trade either natural gas. It's not bad at all. It's just all quantum computer stocks right here. So on any of these, matter of fact, if y'all want any of these, like my options watch list, I can't remember how I used to share these. Let me see. Oh, here, I'm gonna share my watch list with y'all. Y'all go. That's my options watch list. And then this is my daily watch list right here. Yeah, I don't mind. Y'all can have it. This is my watch list. And then I got all the indexes mostly in here. All right. You have that. Yeah, y'all can have this too. So these are my these are my watch lists that I be looking at. So y'all can have those. You know what I mean? Stick them in your trading view. And I don't mind. I ain't no gatekeeper. I ain't selfish. Y'all know I'm not selfish. I got the cheapest trading course in the game. It's $30. You want one-on-one, you can get a one-on-one and my course for 70 to something dollars. Like the cheapest. Most people want all that money. But these are my watch lists that I be like scrolling through. On average, I like to scroll through like 100 to 200 stocks. How I got good at trading, I started going through 100 to 200 stocks a night, like looking at 100 to 200 stocks a night. Just looking at the chart, just flipping through, just how's it look? Like that's it. Like that's what I was doing. Just going through, looking at charts, looking at different charts. Or I would recognize things, zoom in a little bit, zoom out, see what was going on. You know, the average person will look at this and be like, what is that? Cup and handle. Look. Oh, let me see. Yeah, no, there we go. Like just looking at this right here, this is what I recognize. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. I ain't cup and handle. I see what do they call that in technical analysis? I forgot the name. I don't really trade technical analysis like that no more. But look at that. Oh, inverse head and shoulders. That's an inverse head and shoulders. Look at that. I think it's an indicator that shows that. Let me see. I used to have a listening that showed it. Or maybe I just used to have to like do it myself. It don't matter. I can't find it. But yeah, Uber ain't bad either. Look at Uber. Let's go back to NQ. Yeah. Just checking out NQ. What else? SPX. XLE. Let me see what XLE got right there. Nice hammer right there. Look at that. Same thing. Same thing. It's on its way up to take out this level here and up. So, see, that's what you start to recognize. Shit like that. Yeah, here you go. No, here's another technical analysis. Boom. Like what's your cup handles? See, same patterns over and over again. That's just in technical analysis. Like when you start to learn all those little things, it shit gets stupid easy. Stupid easy. But yeah, those are my watch lists in the chat. Can we take those down? And hit the like button. But I'm about to get up out of here. Been on here for 50-something minutes, almost an hour. It's the best I could do. Market's close tomorrow. Don't trade tomorrow. So if you're buying power, you're buying power won't re-up if you trade options for cash account anyway. So yeah, enjoy your day tomorrow. Relax your mind. Look at some charts today. Enjoy the whole free day tomorrow. Then be prepared for Wednesday. So yeah, that's what I'm on. If you need one-on-one help, link in the bio, $55 an hour. If you just starting to trade, get the course so you be all set up when you get on a one-on-one. And I ain't wasting your time or your money. Course $30. It's all in my link tree. I am going to holla at y'all.